In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create styled text boxes in WordPress. Whether you're a seasoned website owner or new to the world of blogging, adding visually appealing elements like styled text boxes can make your pages stand out and enhance readability. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to wordpress.com. This is where all the magic happens. So open up your browser and navigate to the site. Once you're there, look for the login button, which you'll find typically at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it and you'll be presented with several options to access your account. Now, if you have a Google account and it's linked to your WordPress, you can make your life a bit easier by clicking on the option that says continue with Google. It's a quick way to log in without having to remember yet another username and password combination. Now that you're logged in, it's time to choose your Google account, the one that's linked to your WordPress site. This step is essential because it's the account that will give you access to your site's backend where you'll be making changes. With access to your site's dashboard, glance over to the right panel where you'll see several quick links. Click on the one that says Edit Site. This option will lead you to the editor where you can customize your website. After clicking on Edit Site, you need to select your website from the list. It's often straightforward if you are managing a single site, but if you have multiple, just be sure to pick the correct one. Now, to add a new element to your site, locate the Add button, usually positioned on the top left corner of the editing interface. Clicking on this will allow you to add various elements, including text. Once you've added the element, you can type in your desired text directly into the website. This will be the content that your styled text box will highlight. Next, it's time to add some color to your text box. Navigate to the right panel again and look for the option to add color. Adding color can help ensure your text box is eye-catching and aligns with the overall design of your website. Once you've decided on the text color, move on to the background. Click on Background and choose a color that complements your text, giving your readers a pleasant visual experience. Finally, to complete the styling of your text box, you should add a border. In the right panel, look for the border option. Adding a border can define the boundaries of your text box, making it pop on the page. Plus, a well-chosen border can add a touch of sophistication to your overall design. And that's it, you've successfully created a styled text box in WordPress. With these steps, your site is on its way to looking more dynamic and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.